Hello again. So in this video, we're going to solve two steps equations. Why they are called two step? Because I'm going to need to do two steps in order to solve equations. Simple as that. Okay. So here we have 6x plus 2 is equal to 26, and I need to find the value of x. Okay. So the last step should be our final answer. X is equal a value. Okay. However, in order to get this, we have to do some steps before. So first of all, let me remind you that what you do to one side of your equation have to be done exactly um, the same to the other side of the equation in order to keep this equals, okay, the equation balance. Okay. So first, I'm going to get rid of this plus 2. Okay. It is very important to remember that you need to get all the x's on one side. So for now, I'm going to leave this 6x on the left hand side. Now I'm going to remove this plus, this positive 2. In order to cancel out positive 2, I have to do minus 2, okay, to bring it to a value of 0. In order to keep the equation balanced, I have to subtract 2 from the right hand side as well. Okay, so we are left with 6x. This becomes 0. Okay, I can leave nothing here. I can leave it empty here. 26 minus 2 gives us 24. Okay, since 6x is equal to 24, what is the value of 1x? In order to get rid of this 6, it is multiplying with this x, I have to do the inverse, okay? So the inverse of multiplication, the opposite of multiplication is division. So divide by 6 on the left and also on the right. Okay, I can simplify 6 and 6. They are divided by 6, they become 124. Division by 6, okay? 24 divided by 6 gives us 4, and this becomes 1. Right? So we are left with 1x is equal to 4 all over 1. So x is equal to 4 here. Okay, that is why it is called two-step equation, because first I subtracted this 2 and then divided by 6 to get this answer. So I did two steps there. Let us move on to this example B. So we have 4x plus 7 is equal to 19. So first step is to get rid of this positive 7. In order to cancel it out, we have to subtract 7. And subtract 7 from this side as well. Okay, so we are left with 4x. This becomes 0, which is equal to 19 minus 7 gives us 12. Okay, second step is to get rid of this 4. So since it is multiplying, then we have to do the inverse, division by 4. And division by 4 on the right hand side. I simplify, okay, so that becomes 1 and 1. 12 division by 4 is equal to 3, and then becomes 1. Okay, so our answer here, 1 all over 1 gives us 1x. X is equal to 3 all over 1 gives us 3. And there you have your final answer. Okay, we have another two examples here. So we have 10 is equal to 10x minus 50. Okay, it doesn't matter since is on the right hand side now. Okay, we're going to move on by using the same steps. So first we're going to get rid of this negative 50. Okay, in order to cancel it out, we have to add 15. Add 50 on the right and add 50 on the left as well in order to keep a balanced equation. So we are left with 10 plus 50 gives us 60 equals 10x plus 0. Okay, we can leave this empty since minus 50 plus 50 gives us 0. In order to get rid of that 10 with x, which is multiplied with x, we have to divide by 10 on both sides. Okay, we simplify. This gives us 1 all over 1, and this gives us 6 all over 1. Okay, 60 and 10 are both in the table of 10, so 60 division by 10 gives us 6, 10 division by 10 gives us 1. Therefore, 6 all over 1 gives us 6, which is equal to 1x. Okay, so x here has a value of 6. It doesn't matter since x is on this side, okay? I can write this in this form, okay? The important thing is that what you have on the left or on the right, okay? So left and right, they have the same values. So 6 equals x and x equals 6, they are saying practically the same thing. Okay, let's move on to our last example here. 8 equals 8 plus 3x. So first, let us get rid of this 8. Okay, so first, try to get rid of those extra values which are not part of the x terms. Okay, so in order to get rid of this positive 8, I subtract 8. Okay, on both sides. Okay, so we are left with 8 minus 8 gives us 0 is equal to 8 minus 8 gives us 0 as well. I'm not going to write anything. And positive 3x. Now to get rid of that 3, I have to divide both sides by 3. Can simplify this with this. However, 0 division by 3 gives us the value of 0. So here x had a value of 0. Okay? 0 is equal to x means the same thing as x equals to 0. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.